In this video I'll show you how to set password on Windows 10 laptop, which the password is for your laptop lock screen. First, click on Start button. Go to Settings. Tap on Accounts. Go to Sign In Options. Then click on Password. Tap Add. And you can create your password here. Rewrite the password. And also you need to add password hint here, which it will appear on the lock screen also. Next, and finish. So that's it guys. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one.